Warships, floating fortresses, instruments of power. Since the dawn of history, these titans of the sea have decided the fate of empires. They are symbols of national might. They are guardians of the sea lanes. They are the sharp end of a nation's sword, projecting power across the oceans. From the wooden warships of antiquity to the nuclear-powered behemoths of today, the mission remains the same: to control the seas and dictate the terms of war. This is their story. The earliest warships were little more than modified trading vessels. Rowed by oarsmen, they carried small bands of warriors. The Greeks and Romans built powerful navies. Their galleys clashed in epic battles. Rams and boarding parties decided victory. The Vikings terrorized the seas with their longships. Fast and maneuverable, they could strike quickly and disappear. These early vessels were limited by technology. They relied on wind and muscle power. Storms and rough seas were constant threats. The age of sail saw warships evolve into complex machines of war. Galleons bristled with cannons, their decks crowded with sailors. Naval battles became long-range duels of firepower. Broadsides unleashed thunderous volleys of iron shot. The invention of the steam engine revolutionized naval warfare. Ships no longer depended on the wind. They were faster and more maneuverable. Ironclads covered in thick armor plating replaced wooden ships. The age of sail was coming to an end. A new era of naval warfare had begun. The launch of HMS Dreadnought in 1906 ushered in a new era of naval power. This British battleship was a technological marvel. It was heavily armed with 10 12-inch guns. It was faster than any other battleship afloat. It rendered all previous battleships obsolete. The Dreadnought race was on. Nations around the world rushed to build their own super battleships. World War I saw these steel titans clash in the North Sea. The Battle of Jutland was the largest naval battle of the war. Section 5: Modern Leviathans, Carriers and Submarines. World War II saw the rise of two new naval powers, aircraft carriers and submarines. These vessels would transform naval warfare. Carriers, floating airfields, could project air power across vast distances. They played a decisive role in the Pacific theater. Submarines, lurking beneath the waves, could strike enemy shipping with deadly torpedoes. They waged a silent war of attrition. The battleship, once the queen of the seas, was now relegated to a supporting role. The age of the carrier and the submarine had arrived. Section 6: Technological tides, advancements in warfare at sea. Modern warships are marvels of technology. They are packed with advanced sensors, weapons and propulsion systems. Guided missiles have replaced guns as the primary weapon. These missiles can strike targets hundreds of miles away with pinpoint accuracy. Nuclear power provides virtually unlimited range and endurance. Submarines can stay submerged for months at a time. Computers and automation have reduced crew sizes and increased efficiency. Modern warships are deadly instruments of war. Section 7: Naval power in action, from Midway to the Falklands. Warships have played a crucial role in numerous conflicts throughout history. The Battle of Midway was a turning point in the Pacific War. The Falklands War demonstrated the importance of sea control in modern warfare. British forces sailed thousands of miles to retake the islands. The Persian Gulf War saw the US Navy dominate the seas, launching airstrikes and enforcing a naval blockade. Warships provide a visible presence around the world. They conduct freedom of navigation operations and deter aggression. Section 8: Strengths and weaknesses. The shifting tides of warfare. Warships have many strengths. They are mobile, versatile and powerful. They can project power across vast distances. However, they also have limitations. They are expensive to build and operate. They are vulnerable to attack from land-based aircraft and missiles. The increasing use of anti-ship missiles and other advanced weapons poses a significant threat to warships. The future of naval warfare is uncertain, but one thing is for sure: warships will continue to play a vital role in global security. Section 9: The future of naval power, uncertain waters. The future of naval warfare is uncertain. New technologies such as autonomous vessels and directed energy weapons are emerging. Cyber warfare and space-based systems are becoming increasingly important. The maritime domain is becoming more congested and contested. Navies around the world are adapting to these challenges. They are investing in new capabilities and developing new operational concepts. The seas will continue to be a vital arena for competition and conflict. Warships will remain essential instruments of national power.